mohoro ni ati muikariri giti wa gikundi kia wandikani wa arimu na TSC ni athingatite arutani oro hamwe na anyiti itemi egi sekta-ini ya mathomo gukorwo makigiririka wira-ini wao na niguo kwagirithia mathomo mathukuru-ini ma muingi na akiaria arihi-ini ya kigomano kia arimu mwena wa manyatta kaunti ya Embu Dr. Muturi ni augite ati maumirira mega no monekanire kumana na kwirutira kwa arimu oro hamwe na kwenda mawira mao no na gukiri uguo ni athingatite aciari gukorwo makinyitanira na arimu hakinya ni gukorwo makirunga mitugo ya arutwo ao.
And if there is one that is already existing and it is not active, it is the child nice, and we move forward so that we are able to achieve growth. You are able to network as professionals, even for yourselves as individuals.
As far as I'm concerned, in terms of that low country, we have a shortfall of over 100,000 teachers. And we are optimal. And I'm saying that as German TSC. The question I ask myself is, have we optimized all the teachers we have? I thank the President, His Excellency William Samoei Ruto, for the job well done. Since he came January to this September, through his government, the government has recruited 50,505 teacher interns across the country.
Mukoji you see here standing was also shaped immensely by Govi Boys High School. And just the same as Mukoji was shaped, all of you, who you are, who you want to become, because I can see some young people here, was also shaped by the school you went to. That is why you can ignore anything else, but you cannot ignore the school you came from, primary and secondary school.
Whatever has started under the leadership of Mheshimiwa will go a long way to improving performance in our various schools. You'll also get to know what are some of the challenges facing these schools. And of course, with this structured way of communication, structured way of leadership, a communication will be done and improvements will be done where there is need.
To have so much money to do that. And I know many alumni are not working very well because but it is the willingness.
Na runi kukuihoya na gitio